Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we will guide you through YouTube keyword research. So let's dive right in. For YouTube keyword research, we're going to use three tools: TubeBuddy, VidIQ, and Google Trends. First, install the TubeBuddy extension to your web browser. Next, in YouTube Studio, click on the TubeBuddy icon at the top. Then click on the Keyword Explorer option from the list. A pop-up window will appear. Here in the search box, enter the desired keyword you want to explore and check the search volume. Next, click on the Explore button. TubeBuddy will provide the best results for your keyword. You can check the overall score, competition, and search volume. Also, you will find 3 related keywords that are best for video optimization. Now move towards the next tool, VidIQ. Similarly to TubeBuddy, install the VidIQ extension into your web browser. Then in YouTube Studio, click on the VidIQ icon at the top bar. Next, click on the Keyword Inspector. Here in the search bar, provide the desired keyword you wish to explore the details for. Then click on the Search button. VidIQ has provided us with the complete detail of the keyword. Also, VidIQ has provided us 3 related keywords to use for our video. If you want to explore more keywords, you will need to subscribe to any plan of VidIQ. Now let's move towards our third tool, Google Trends. In your web browser, visit trends.google.com. The link is provided in the description. Once you're on the website, in the search bar, enter the desired keyword you want to check the trends for. Then click on the Explore button. This will redirect you to the next page where you can check the trends. To view the worldwide result, simply click on the country box and choose the worldwide option. Also, to check the trends for YouTube, simply click on this box. Then, from the drop-down list, choose YouTube Search. And that's it. You can clearly check the trends about this keyword. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.